Coin plus card plus QR ATM. Number of tap settings. This is Initiative's Coin plus card plus QR ATM, and we are going to see the number of tap settings. Press enter and go to quick settings with the help of up or down keys. Press enter when the cursor is near quick settings. Read the instructions on display. Place MasterCard. Enter on number of taps. You can set minimum 1 and maximum 4 taps. Set the value. Press enter to save the number of taps. Press back button to go to home screen. Thank you.